How to edit your post on LinkedIn. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to edit your post on LinkedIn easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is go to linkedin.com and log into your account and then go to your profile. Now this is my profile as you can see, and now I need to see my posts. This is one of my posts as you can see right here. Now this is what I want to edit. All what you have to do to edit the post is click on those three dots right here and choose edit post. Now I can edit it, and after you finish just click save right here. It's very easy, and as you can see it's edited. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching till the end.